i8. Man, this car, I think we've had it on here before, but I don't think he had the top off when we checked it out before. Absolutely awesome car. Look at that door go up, guys. Super, super cool car. And I think this thing is all electric. Super cool, guys. Super, super cool. Everybody's got this car, I'm sure. Yeah. Look at the back of this thing, guys. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. BMW outdid themselves with this. Look. How cool is that, guys, right? E-Drive, it says. i8. And this color, man, in the Roadster, this is it, man. Look. Absolutely awesome. Let's see. Woo, look at the dash in that, guys. Super, super nice. Look at the leather. Crazy cool car. And you see the doors, they go up on this. And like I said, it's the Roadster. All electric BMW i8. And the front end, it's just super awesome too, guys. Even if you're not into Beamers, BMW, you still gotta like this car. It's just a cool car. Super, super nice. Absolutely awesome, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.